Hey guys, just wanted to give a little update on the channel. In case you haven't noticed, we haven't posted a little bit. That's not because we aren't going to be continuing making videos, but I actually just accepted a new position in Virginia. So we are all packed up and heading out to Virginia right now as we speak. So we're still going to be bringing a bunch of great videos upcoming. We actually have a partnership that I'm really excited about. We'll be doing a video on soon. Our riding styles may change just a little bit. We'll be doing a lot more mountain riding, Hatfields and McCoys, stuff like that, in addition to the mudding videos like we normally do. So we're going to get all settled up there in Virginia before probably we'll be posting too many more videos. We're just in between houses right now, so the videos might be a little spaced out differently. And so that's why I wanted to give this short little update. So check out all our content that we already have posted. Like and subscribe if you enjoy that type of content, and we will continue making videos. Thanks. See you next time.